Sophia, and I'm the oval from the Cub Scouts. Today we're going to be making the explosion of a volcano. We're not making a volcano, it's just the explosion. So first, we're using Diet Pepsi. Why Diet Pepsi if we can use normal Pepsi? Diet Pepsi is made up of artificial sugar, which is fake sugar. So that means it's less sticky, so that after the explosion, it will be easier to clean up, especially when there's seashells everywhere. So then we also use Mentos that we're going to drop into it. But why Mentos when we can use something else? We use Mentos because they're heavy, so they'll sink to the bottom. And also, before we get to that, when they make Diet Pepsi in a factory, they compress the bottle together, and you can see they force the carbon dioxide in there, so you can see the bubbles. That's the carbon dioxide, and since the Mentos heavy, it's gonna sink to the bottom, and all the carbon dioxide is gonna grab onto the Mento, which is gonna force the Mento out of the bottle, and that all happens in 1 second. Actually, more than 1 second, like a few milliseconds, and it comes out to this explosion. So I'm ready. If you're nearby, get away, because then this explosion is gonna get you to be soaked up. Alright, now we're going to do the experiment. I opened the bottle, I paused the video to get it all ready, and my mom helped me open the bottle. So I'm ready. I'm gonna run away as fast